Happy Wednesday, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Emily Kirk here with your North Georgia weather forecast. Let's take a look at those current temperatures right now. Here in Athens, around 83 degrees. Canton is hanging on to those 70s at 79 degrees. Everywhere else, though, is in the low 80s. Now we are in another heat advisory for today, so make sure that you're continuing to exercise caution if you have to be outside, because those heat index values could get to 105 degrees here in Athens and higher areas, especially in the south of Georgia. Now today we're going to see a high of 91 degrees, scattered thunderstorms on the way in the forecast, and then tonight we're going to see a low of 74 degrees. Some isolated thunderstorms do have a chance of developing here in Athens. Now before we talk about those thunderstorms, I do want to talk about the rain we got yesterday. So with those thunderstorms that came in through Athens in the evening hours, we saw about 2.5 inches of rain. This month we've seen around 6.5 inches of rain, and this year 30.5 inches of rain has fallen so far. We are above our normal rainfall average right now for not only this month but this year. Those afternoon thunderstorms keeping us pretty wet for the most of July. Now for tomorrow, for today, we're gonna see just a little bit of a different story. We are pretty cloudy right now, but as we head in through the day, those clouds are gonna kind of clear out. Around 5 p.m., Canton may see a shower. Then we may see some more showers around 10 p.m., especially between Atlanta and Athens, and they're gonna kind of move towards Athens. They may fizzle out, but I would not rule out the chance to see a thunderstorm, especially in those evening hours here in Athens. Then Thursday around 5 p.m., those showers and thunderstorms are really going to pick back up, and here in Athens we've got this big cluster of thunderstorms, and towards our west we can see that's kind of the same story all around, but by 11 p.m. it's going to have moved through most of the state and will be clear once again. Our highs tomorrow are going to be in the low 90s and high 80s. Here in Athens we're going to see a high of 91 degrees. Blairsville getting to stay a little bit cooler at 83 degrees. Now over the next 7 days, we're going to see a big pattern change. Friday through and Saturday, you can see such a big difference in those high temperatures, and that's because we do have a cold front moving through on Friday, bringing us much cooler air, and it's going to be a much needed break from those really high temperatures we have been seeing. So if you're a fan of the cold weather, make sure you enjoy it while it lasts. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to see those temperatures start to increase just a little bit, but overall a much cooler week ahead of us from what we've seen this week. Thank you for watching, and go Dogs.